Hi everybody, my name is Chelsea and welcome to my channel. Today I have a super fun and easy fall DIY inspired project for you. So I have to admit, this project I did not come up on my own. I actually found it on Pinterest. We're gonna see if it's a Pinterest fail or not. Fingers crossed it's not, but it's a super easy one. So if you are really new to DIYs, you're not gonna feel overwhelmed. If you're a pro at them, it's really easy. So it's something that you have to think about, but the results are really rewarding. And most of these things you probably actually already have at home laying around. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started in our video for today. Okay, so your first step is choosing your fabric. I happen to have some extra on hand for another project that I'm gonna be getting into here soon, and I had enough to actually make 2 of these pumpkins. So I wanted to make sure that I had enough fabric for that, so I'm just double checking it here to make sure. The instructions did say to have it about 18 by 18, and honestly, I'm just gonna kind of eyeball this and make it work. You're kind of getting a little bit of sneak peek in what is our office. There will be a video on that later because clearly it is not finished yet. But again, just kind of eyeballing it. That looks like 18 by a little bit more, 18. But I made both sides equal. I went ahead and didn't even worry about ironing it because this is all going to get kind of scrunched and mushed into place. So first attempt here, I'm gonna go ahead and unravel the toilet paper, and then, it's a kind of weird word to say on film, but yeah, unravel the toilet paper, put it in the middle of the fabric, and then just kind of start pushing it in and forming it the way that you want it to look. Not gonna lie, my first attempt, I did not love it. Tried to save it and it didn't work. So I went ahead and scratched that. And I'm gonna go ahead and try this again. I kind of realized that you do need more cushion, so I unraveled it even more and then really just kind of went crazy with it, and then did it again, made it a little bit more uniform so that there was somewhat of a pattern when I was kind of mushing it in, but it's still kind of a free-for-all, kind of pushing it into where it needs to go. And I am actually liking the way that this one is turning out, so I'm going to go ahead and put that one aside for now after just kind of fluff it up a little bit more, mush it, and yeah, I like that one. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the next one. Really, you guys, unravel quite a bit of this and then roll it back up, and try not to have it flat because otherwise you're going to get a really smushed pumpkin, which if that's the look you're going for, then go ahead and do that. But I want a big kind of fat awkward pumpkin, so I don't want to smush it. I'm gonna go ahead and do just the same exact process. You guys, this is seriously such an easy tutorial. It's really, really user-friendly if you're new to crafts, and I was actually pretty happy with how these both turned out. And lastly, I'm just having a last look at them, make sure that there's no parts I don't really like, make sure that it's somewhat in there. I'm not going to be throwing these things around, but I don't want the fabric to pop out. So that's the end of that portion of the tutorial. Then all you really have to do, you guys, is just go outside and pick a twig and stick them in there, and that's going to be your stem of your pumpkin. And that's kind of the final result right there for you. Alright, and that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!